We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive overview of the MELOGAGA Wireless Gaming Mouse Bluetooth mouse. This mouse is designed for gamers and everyday users alike, featuring dual connectivity modes, RGB lighting, and a rechargeable battery. If you own this mouse, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The mouse supports both Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless connections, allowing it to work with a wide range of devices including Windows PCs, Mac OS, iPads, and iPhones. Bluetooth mode requires iPad OS 13 or iOS 13 and above with assistive touch enabled for iPad and iPhone users. The 2.4G wireless mode uses a USB receiver that requires no additional drivers, making setup straightforward and hassle-free. This dual-mode connectivity is a standout feature, offering flexibility to switch between devices such as a PC, Fire TV, or Chromebook seamlessly. One of the most visually appealing aspects of this mouse is its RGB 7-color breathing backlit design. The colors cycle automatically, providing an attractive visual effect, especially in low-light environments. The lighting automatically turns off when the mouse enters sleep mode to conserve power, which is a thoughtful touch for battery management. Speaking of battery, the mouse comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery. It charges via a micro USB cable included in the package. Users are advised not to use fast chargers or mobile phone chargers to preserve battery life. The mouse features smart power-saving technology, entering sleep mode after 1 minute of inactivity, and waking instantly with a click or movement. Battery life varies among users. Some report it lasting for days between charges, while others have experienced a decline in battery performance over time, requiring more frequent recharging. This inconsistency in battery longevity is a noted drawback. The mouse offers 3 adjustable DPI levels, 800, 1200, and 1600 catering to different sensitivity preferences for gaming and work. It includes 6 buttons: left, right, forward, backward, DPI switch, and scroll wheel. Both the left and right buttons are designed to be silent, which is appreciated in quiet environments. However, some users have mentioned that the 2 side buttons feel somewhat cheap and may not be very durable, although this has not caused functional issues so far. Ergonomically, the mouse is described as comfortable and chunky enough to fit larger hands, which is beneficial for users with grip challenges such as dyspraxia. The overall build has a mix of matte and glossy plastic surfaces. The matte parts feel smooth and pleasant to the touch, but the glossy sections can feel cheap and less durable. The mouse has a moderate weight, which some users find gives a solid and premium feel. A few design concerns have been raised. The on-off switch on the bottom is quite long and protrudes slightly, which can cause it to scrape against mouse pads or desks, potentially damaging softer surfaces over time. The switch is also very small and somewhat hidden under a label, making it easy to overlook. Additionally, the mouse does not come with printed instructions, though the product page provides detailed photos and tips that users may want to save. Performance-wise, the mouse generally works well. It connects reliably via the USB dongle and Bluetooth, though some users have encountered issues with Bluetooth mode connecting but not functioning properly. The mouse enters sleep mode quickly to save power and wakes up promptly without connection drops. The scroll wheel is large and responsive, enhancing navigation. The mouse's RGB lighting and silent click features make it appealing for gaming sessions and quiet work environments. Its rechargeable nature and dual connectivity add convenience and versatility. However, the micro USB charging port feels outdated compared to the more modern USB-C standard, which is a minor downside given current trends. In summary, the MELOGAGA Wireless Gaming Mouse Bluetooth mouse is a stylish, versatile, and affordable option for gamers and general users who want a rechargeable, wireless mouse with multiple connectivity options. It excels in flexibility and aesthetics, but is somewhat let down by inconsistent battery life, some build quality concerns, and a few design quirks. Overall, it offers good value for the price and is especially suitable for users who appreciate RGB lighting and silent clicks. We encourage anyone who owns this mouse to share their experiences in the comments to help others decide if it is the right choice for them.